learn how to supercharge our gardens with this power of electricity. Hey there, Stepwise Gardening family. Today we are going to explore a fascinating gardening technique called electroculture. This method uses electricity to stimulate plant growth, and it has been gaining popularity among gardening enthusiasts worldwide. So let's dive right in and learn how to supercharge our garden with the power of electricity. In this video, we explore the fascinating world of electroculture, a revolutionary farming technique that uses electricity to enhance plant growth and yield. We'll dive into the science behind electroculture and how it works, as well as the benefits it can bring to farmers and the environment. You'll learn about the history of electroculture, its current status, application, and join us in the electrifying journey and discover the power of electroculture. But first things first, what is electroculture? Electroculture is a practice of using electricity and electromagnetic fields to enhance plant growth, health, and productivity. It is based on the idea that plants can sense and respond to electric fields in their environment. By applying the right kind of electrical stimulation, you can help a plant grow faster, stronger, and healthier. But what are the benefits of electroculture? Electroculture offers several benefits to gardeners. These include improved germination rates. Electric fields can stimulate seed germination, helping your seeds sprout faster and more uniformly. Number two, we have enhanced growth. Studies have shown that electroculture can improve plant growth, leading to bigger and healthier plants. Number three, we have increased resistance to pests and diseases. Electro-stimulated plants tend to be more resistant to common garden pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical treatment. But how do we go about implementing electroculture? Now that we know the benefits of electroculture, let's discuss how to implement it in your garden. There are several methods you can use, such as gardening rods. Place metal rods in the soil and connect them to a low voltage power source. This creates an electric field that stimulates plant growth. Number two, you can use electromagnetic coils. You wrap coils around the plant or place them nearby to create an electromagnetic field that promotes growth. Number three, you can use DIY electroculture devices. There are many DIY electroculture projects online, so you can experiment with different techniques to find the one that suits you better. Electroculture is the way to a better farming experience in the future, but of course this is being hindered on by the fact that there is very little literature out there pertaining electroculture. But don't get me wrong, there is a future in electroculture, and it's upon you and I to experiment on this, and with time we'll come up with a better and precise way to go about it. So electroculture is an exciting and innovative gardening technique that can help grow healthier and more productive plants. By harnessing the power of electricity, you can give your garden a boost and enjoy the benefits of this cutting-edge method. So why not give electroculture a try and see the differences it can make in your garden? Happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe to Stepwise Gardening for more tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next one.